Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hi, everyone. In today's lesson, you're going to learn English through a real-life airport story. Imagine you just missed your flight. What would you say? What would you do? Let's find out in this full airport English story. So, stay with me till the end. The airport rush. Emma is running inside the airport. She checks the screen and sees Flight A782 to Paris. Gate closed.
Oh no. Please don't tell me I missed it.
She runs to the gate, but the door is already closed.
Sorry, ma'am. The boarding is closed. Is there anything you can do? Please. Please, go to the airline service desk. They will help you.
Emma feels nervous. She has never missed a flight before.
Talking to the airline desk. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I think I just missed my flight to Paris. What should I do now?
Let me check your ticket. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, your flight departed just 5 minutes ago.
Oh my God, I can't believe this.
Don't worry, I can book you on the next available flight. Do you want to take the evening flight or the one tomorrow morning?
I need to reach Paris today. I'll take the evening flight.
Perfect. There is a seat available. However, you will need to pay a rebooking fee.
All right. How much is the fee?
It's $85.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Card, please.
Great. Here is your new boarding pass. Boarding starts at 5:15 p.m.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And one more thing. Since you missed your flight, you must go through security again.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know.
Security check again. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you go.
Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Just my laptop and a small perfume.
Please take them out and place them separately.
Sure.
You're all set. You may go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At immigration. Good afternoon. Purpose of your travel?
I'm traveling to Paris for a business meeting.
How long will you stay there?
Just 3 days.
Okay. Please look at the camera. Camera click. You may proceed.
Thank
You're all
you.
set. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Waiting for the new flight. Emma finally reaches the waiting zone. She sits down, drinks a cup of coffee.
I can't believe I missed my flight. But at least I got another one.
Rough day?
Yeah, missed my flight. But I'm on the next one.
Oh, that happens. You'll be fine.
Thanks. I hope so.
Boarding the new flight.
Passenger Emma Carter, please proceed to gate 22. Boarding has started.
Oh, that's me.
She walks to the gate, hands over her passport and boarding pass.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you.
Emma finally walks into the aircraft. She sits near the window and smiles softly.
I made it. Finally.
Learning Summary. Thank you so much for watching this full airport English story. Today you learned what to say if you miss a flight, how to talk at an airline desk, security and immigration English, natural real-life travel conversations. If you want Part 2, Inside the Plane, Real Flight English Conversation, comment below and let me know. See you in the next video.